I have a quite an interesting day on my blog because one of our clients have decided to quit the cooperation with us because I have an opinion in public. We don't have any freedom of speech, I will say, even though I tattooed it, so I don't think we have it, even though we say we have it. So yeah, I'm just a little bit confused and yeah, not angry, but I think it's very childish, the whole situation. So anyway, I'm going to my shrink to fix my membrane.
Insane in the membrane.
So yeah, that's what I'm going to do.
Yes.
And then
I'm going to check if we have some eggs outside.
yeah, if the chicken is alive.
Yes. Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it. Oh, oh, oh. Chris is sick, so we have to be at home with her, and you can see everyone is chilling today, so we're taking it just chill and easy. Let's see if we are lucky today and find some eggs. I haven't been out for 3 days, so I think I need this one to see. Of course we was lucky today as well. We did find 8 eggs, so that's enough to feed the whole family with eggs tonight when we are eating again. This is like the big eating day. I feel like we've just been eating and prepared for some very important cool meetings tomorrow, but it's been like a lazy chill day. But we don't need to do so much every day, but once in a while. I've been missed you. I feel like you have been gone the whole day today.
Yeah, I have. So that's why. Tomorrow I thought me and the girls can try to ride Ringur, actually.
Yes.
So both for the
Saddles.
horses are gone. Everything is gone.
Are you kidding me?
No.
Because the door was locked when I was going in there today.
Yeah, but the only thing that's left is the one I sold to Julia, the old one, and I was supposed to have 2 new ones.
Yes, they was there before when I checked, so they are gone.
They are gone. So somebody stole them. So I don't know what to do and say now.
I'm
like
shocked.
really disappointed.
Shit.
So I don't know. But we can borrow
Yes, that's great.
in the meantime, and yeah, that's it.
Yes.
So yeah, we're going to try to ride tomorrow.
Oh, that's going to be cool.
So don't tell the girls yet,
No.
just in case
Yes.
something happens. Okay.
Okay.
So let's go.
Yes.
Good night.
Good night.